So I got this Toyota Prius. I bought it from a guy. He said he couldn't get it to turn on. Ran the codes, had the red light, red exclamation mark. Ran these codes, got a P0A0D, which is high voltage system interlock circuit high. This is actually a very common code for people that mess around with the hybrid battery, and it's the easiest code to fix. I'll show you how to fix it. Okay, so we're gonna go back here. And check out the hybrid battery. So here it is, and this is the service plug. So you take that out and put it back in. Pretty much you turn that off when you're working on the vehicle so you don't get killed. So I checked it out, and literally it's stuck up like this. All it needed to do was go down like that. It wasn't installed properly. So the system was thinking it was not installed, and that's why it didn't turn on. So let's go check this out. I'm pretty sure that's all it's gonna be. So we'll see if it turns on. And yep, ready signal. And it turns on now. So literally, that's the only issue. P0A0D. This guy couldn't get it to turn on. He bought it from someone, could never get it to turn on, so he sold it to me super cheap, and I really had no idea what was going on. He left, I checked it out. That's the code. I've had that code before from not installing the plug correctly, so I knew that I probably got pretty lucky. But yeah, that's the issue. I hope that helped you.